Hello and welcome back to another delusional reading. It's very rainy today, but right now it stopped. The kitties are lingering around because they have not been fed. So hopefully they will not bother too much. Anyway. I gotta do a reading. You wanna do me a reading? Let's do the reading for the cats. Because why the fuck not? For you? You want a reading? Okay, let's see what the cards have in store for you. You wanna blow on the cards? Thank you. Okay. Let me get into the mood. Okay, so let's read for our kitty. You want a reading too? Oh, damn. Okay. First off, for that one, okay? His name is Buckwheat. First for the Buckwheat. Okay. Spirit, what do we have in the cards for Buckwheat? What does Buckwheat need to know? Or what's the message that... Oh, that's a lot of cards. Hold. Okay, first off, the devil. Devil, and then... Temperance. The Lovers, Page of Swords, and Six of Wands. Okay. The devil was very prominent from the very start. So, okay. What is the message? Disclaimer once again, I do not know how to read cards, and yet I'm still gonna read them because I make up the meaning, and also it's fun. So, all right, Temperance is giving balance, like sun and moon, so masculine and feminine, balancing two different opposites, two different energies. So I think why the devil came through like first is because there's a struggle to keep the balance. Also, the lovers right now is not giving me love, but more of like the dance. Like, look, they are together in this beautiful, passionate dance, and if you're not keeping balance, then the fire might eat you up. And the ego is not making you see the full picture. And then we have Page of Swords and Six of Wands. So, so you can see her like walking on a very thin sword. But what's keeping her up is her ideas, like the bubbles or the balloons of her ideas is what's keeping her and not making her waver. So what you need to do, the message from Buckwheat, is you have to restore your balance to keep going keep your ideas will keep you afloat. And if you follow your path with your ideas, like, grip it, you gotta trust in yourself, believe in yourself, believe that your ideas will take you here to the winner position. Because this is like literally an aha moment. I'm like, I conquered energy. So right now, your ego, your toxic thinking, your old patterns is making you, not feel the balance. Like you are in your wounded space right now. And in order for you to let go and get to that winner position, you need to restore your balance in yourself. Believe your ideas, because your ideas are what will keep you going and what will make you shine and fucking win. Am I allowed to say? Okay, I'm sorry. Am I allowed to swear? I don't know. Anyway, is there anything else that we need to know? Any clarification regarding the devil or anything? I'm just making shit up. No messages? Okay, last shuffle. Okay. Oh! Damn, did you see that? The flip! Okay, period. What else is there? 7 of Cups. Oh, it's actually 2. Knight of Pentacles and Ace of Swords. So, 7 of Cups, Snakes and Ladders. Choose wisely. But, like, look at how he's pondering. There's a lot of opportunities for you. Don't be afraid to choose, but also take your time. Like, you don't need to rush anywhere. Like, all of these opportunities are waiting for you. You just don't stress about it. And even if it's a setback, it's a redirection. As long as you're determined and you keep going, the blessings will follow you. And, oh, yeah, Ace of Swords, cutting to the truth. Like, she's very much in her mind. But also, there's liberation. Like, you see the light that's shining through? And there's, like, fucking math and everything. I'm sorry again. So, what's this giving me is... Damn, this girlie actually looks like someone I know. Oh. I don't know what this is giving me. It's kind of... Even if your thoughts are spiraling, don't overthink. Let it all flow. Don't deny. Like, don't deny your thoughts and try to, like, oh no, I'm not thinking about that or whatever. No, let them be. Let them be. Just relax into them. Don't let them take over, don't let them control you. But also, don't deny them. Also, again, back to balance. So, yes. Get out of your head. Don't stress too much. Don't think too much. Know that everything's unfolding for you. You don't have to rush anywhere. Just keep going. Keep following your path. Keep following where your inner voice is guiding you. And it will all reveal yourself to yourself. Wait, what? I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, if you're I'm 2 of cups. Period. You see the filled cups? Take your time. Don't let the inner critic or inner saboteur win. Just follow your heart. If you're a reader and you're like, that's not what it says, I don't care. That's what it says for buckwheat. Anyway, I want to pull an oracle. And this is a very nice, very cute oracle deck. Art oracles. A friend gifted it to me. It's so pretty. Ooh, the sun started to shine. Period. Okay. The message from the oracle deck. Buckwheat is now sleeping on the couch. Okay. Is there anything that we need to know about the energies, about this reading? Spirit, please come through. And Spirit came through. Okay. Let's see. I have no clue how to pronounce his name. Marcel Duchamp. So the cards have three inspirational sentences. One is for life, for work, and for just inspiration in general. So the advice for life is scandal before stardom. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, for work, making it look easy is hard. Period, yep. And inspiration. May your bathroom humor leave a serious legacy. Scandal before stardom. Like, don't be afraid to make waves. Don't be afraid to make waves. Don't be afraid to surprise yourself. And if those who know you cannot accept you as who you are, because you've been afraid to not be understood or accepted or whatever, you cannot shrink yourself for the benefit of others, because that's leading you nowhere. And that's making you just wither away. Shine your light and make it to stardom. Yeah, that's it, I think. I don't know why I'm shuffling. It's just, yeah. Ooh, we started with this card and we ended up with this. So I'm gonna read it too. And it's, I have no idea how to pronounce his name too. Albrecht Dürer. Period. One man's outbreak is another man's breakthrough. Know your perspective. Apocalypse then. Anyway, that's it from and for Buckwheat. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're interested to get more delusional readings, please just say so. Just say, I love your delusional readings. I love how you know nothing. I love how you cannot read cards. Please say that in the comments. I would love to see you scream at me the actual meanings. Anyway, be blessed. And Buckwheat is just, hold on, can I show it to you? Look at the Buckwheat. Hi, how are you? Yes, you. Oh, look at this sleepy face. Okay, anyway, let him sleep. So, thank you. Oh, wow. That's it, guys. We're letting him sleep, and see you till the next time.